This time we will cover the data transfer objects, a fancy name for a very simple concept of defining expected request body properties and these property types. Let's take a look at the problem we are trying to solve. Well, you don't know what to expect from the input you get in the create and update actions. It can have any properties or none at all. You don't know if it's an object even. Maybe it is an array or a string. Another thing is your teammates won't know that either. So even if you write the code and kind of know what to expect, well, how can they know what to expect from this input? To solve this problem, we can create a class called the data transfer object, or at least that's the type of the class we will create. So let's make a new file directly inside the src folder. Let's call it create event dto_ts, and let's define a class. So this is create event dto, and on this class let's define all properties that we know we expect. So the event should have a name, then a description. When is actually the date when the event will happen, and then the address. So we want to know where to go for the event, and all of those properties are of the type string. Then add a type declaration to the input argument on the create action. So this would be create event dto. Make sure you've added an import statement. Suddenly it is much more clear what to expect from this input. You can try it out, that now you see what are the possible properties, and you can even figure out what is the type of these properties. The DTO, as we can call it short, for the update action will be a little bit different though, so there is a separate lecture about that. In the meantime, save the changes. Now let's have a quick summary. DTO is a fancy name for defining the input properties and their types up front. Using types is beneficial to you and your teammates in the long run. Everything would be more clear and more explicit, less error prone.